Welcome to our guide on the best back massagers available on Amazon. If you're in need of some relaxation, stress relief, or relief from muscle tension, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll introduce you to these incredible back massagers that can help you unwind and rejuvenate in the comfort of your own home. Let's dive right in and explore these top-rated back massagers, highlighting their unique features and benefits. The Sesaii back and neck massager offers comfort and various massage modes, allowing users to customize settings to their preferences. It's particularly effective for relieving tension and relaxing muscles. The Boriwat neck and back massager offers adjustable massage settings and heat settings to provide targeted and effective relief of muscle pain. The Boriwat neck and back massager features deep tissue massage nodes and heat function to alleviate muscle tension and stress. It can be used on various body parts, including the neck, back, shoulders, waist, hips, and calves. The InvoSpa back and neck massager provides high-quality shiatsu massage for the entire back and neck, effectively relieving stress and muscle tension. The COMFIER shiatsu back and neck massager is portable and practical, with an automatic heat function. It's suitable for those looking for muscle relaxation and comfort.